Flax seeds, once prized by ancient healers and kings, are making a huge comeback today. From history to your kitchen, this tiny seed is a true superfood. Flax seeds are packed with fiber, great for your digestion. This fiber keeps your gut healthy and helps you feel your best. Add flax seeds to your day for a happier, healthier you. Your heart works tirelessly every day. It deserves the best care you can give. Flax seeds are a simple, powerful way to support heart health. They help lower blood pressure and reduce bad cholesterol. Plus, their omega-3s fight inflammation, keeping your arteries healthy. Show your heart some love. Add flax seeds to your day. Inflammation is your body's response to injury or stress. Chronic inflammation can harm your health. Flax seeds are rich in lignans and omega-3s, which help reduce inflammation. Adding flax seeds to your diet supports a healthier, less inflamed body. Flax seeds are a powerful source of omega-3s, which are essential for brain health. These healthy fats help keep your mind sharp and support clear thinking. Add flax seeds to your diet for a simple brain boost. Flax seeds help you feel full. That means less hunger and easier weight management.